number 8 of our Christmas craft. Get ready! Alright, so it's another day of craft, and what you would need is of course a piece of paper. We're going to make a card, a normal piece of paper, and you just have to fold that paper in half so that we can get our card. Then I'm using a piece of gift paper like this that I cut out. Any kind of gift paper you have. If you have green paper, if you want to color some paper, you can do whatever you want, but make sure that this paper is different from this one. Alright, so the first thing you would do after you folded your paper, you start by making a fan with this. So you fold one side and try and get the same thing on the other side, like that. And keep going till you reach the end of the paper. There we go. Right, so you need to have the scissors ready, because after you finish folding, we're going to get ready to cut, okay? Alright, so we have our piece there. Make sure it's nice and tight. So we are making a Christmas tree. So you start first by making one piece about this long. Then you can put it up next to the other piece and see if it's just a little bit smaller, and cut it right there. Do the same thing again. Make sure that piece is a little bit smaller. Alright, and then the last piece. So you have to get 4 pieces. This piece you won't use. Right, so you have 4 pieces there. Looks like a Christmas tree almost. So we're going to work with those. Alright, next you're going to get your paper that you're using for your card. Open it out and lay it flat. You're gonna get your tape ready. You can take your pieces of tape and start putting your Christmas tree together. So what you're going to do is just lay down the pieces that you just had like this, the longest one, the first one you cut. Then you're gonna go to the second one, the third, and the fourth. Alright, so you're going to lay it down so you'll see exactly how it looks. And you're going to start by putting your tape on the ends of each side. Alright, so I'm going to put a piece here and another piece on this side. Alright, now watch carefully. What I'm going to do is just start putting one side here inside my card, and the next piece right here. So you see how that looks there? Alright, and we're going to do the same thing for the other side. There we go. Alright, so you put that other piece right like that, next side like that. So you see it's starting to look like a Christmas tree. Alright, we're almost at the end, so let's keep going. Right. Open up your other piece like that. And your last little piece. Here we go. It's ready to be put on top. Ooh. Alright, so you can stick the leather. That's right there. Alright, so you see that looks like a Christmas tree right there. And the ruffled Christmas tree. Looks really nice. And when you fold your card, your Christmas tree will fold up. So when you open out your card, there we are. We have our Christmas tree. So Since it's a Christmas tree for your friends, of course you have to write Merry Christmas. Alright, now I'm using a pen here. You can put there we go. Okay. So we have Merry Christmas. See you next time, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this craft. Bye.